be fast, so I'm rushing home.
Only baby.
My sister.
This is what's happening today. I noticed you've been happy all through today. And it's like you're rushing to go home.
I'm rushing home, my sister. I'm in a haste. I want to leave now.
What's going on? Is today not Friday again?
Today is Friday, baby.
Please, gist me. What's going on? What's different today?
Be calming down now. Why is your blood always hotter than mine?
Oluchi, talk now. What is this?
It's all about the DEIL.
Which one is DEIL again?
You've not heard about it?
I've not heard.
The DEIL is just for women empowerment. The elite Igbo ladies.
Wait. In this region, who is empowering who?
That's why they are the real women. It's just for women empowerment and optimizing positive change.
Oluchi, you know you like here. Hope this one is not a scam.
They are the swagalicious ladies.
Seriously?
I'm telling you, my sister.
And you didn't tell me all this right.
I forgot. You know this is my work. I really forgot. Don't be angry, my sister.
Okay, now that I'm aware, please tell me, gist me about these women.
Okay, these women, they are the real women.
The real women?
Yes. They are just there for themselves. They are the big mamas.
This is serious.
I'm telling you, my sister.
It's sounding interesting now.
And the thing is happening in North Carolina, United States of America.
Seriously, then how do we go now?
If you are interested, I can take you to that side.
Just like that?
Yes, if you are interested.
Please, let
they
me
will
go and
sponsor
get ready.
everything about you.
Wait, can I bring my sister?
You can bring your sister so long as your sister is a lady.
And my friend?
Yes.
And you are just talking?
My sister.
The elite Igbo ladies.
The real mama.
The elite Igbo ladies.
The swagalicious mama.
The elite Igbo ladies. The elite Igbo ladies.
The real deal.
I am there already.
Are you serious?
Yes.
It's going to be memorable and it's happening live and direct on Saturday, 1st June 2024.
I am there.
Are you serious?
Yes.
It's going to be memorable.
Don't miss it.